UC Components is your #1 clean critical fastening and sealing solution provider. Beginning in 1974 with the vented screw, UC's offerings expand daily to meet the most demanding needs of the 21st century. Today, our modern 16,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Morgan Hill, California, supplies startups, OEMs, government labs, universities, various end users, and distribution networks worldwide. We service a broad spectrum of applications and industries, including semiconductor, optics, aerospace development and simulation, nuclear and solar power generation, thin films, and defense, just to name a few. With a laser-targeted focus on genuine, customer-centered service, UC meets the needs of small and large customers alike. At the core of UC Components products is the vented screw. Our vented screws are engineered to provide complete evacuation of trapped volumes of air during pump down and eliminate virtual leaks, speeding vacuum chamber pump down time. Our origins lie in vacuum applications, with a specialized focus on cleanliness expertise. As the vacuum industry has grown with ever-evolving applications, so has UC Components. Today we offer a full range of coated, plated, vented, vacuum-baked, cleaned, and clean packaged fasteners and O-rings for cutting-edge systems and technologies. Our range of ReadyVac vented and non-vented fasteners, hex nuts, and washers are available in both inch and metric sizes. We offer numerous material options for all of our fasteners. Every plating and coating is vacuum compatible, depending on your specific process chemistry. UC's coating solutions are designed to prevent galling and/or improve the corrosion resistance of the treated component. Standard finishes include precision cleaning, silver, gold, and nickel plating, WS2 and MOS2 coatings, and electropolishing. Non-standard finishes include colsterizing, high chromate silver plating, nickel Teflon coating, locking patch application, and more. We don't stop at fasteners. In our catalog, you'll find a wide variety of O-rings made from top-quality fluoroelastomer materials in just about any size to fit your needs. Additional O-ring materials such as Buna, silicone, or other specific chemistries are available upon request. You can trust that your O-rings are clean and dry right from the package. Our extended cleaning and vacuum bakeout process removes residual water trapped in the O-ring polymer, reducing outgassing under vacuum. From our state-of-the-art clean room directly to yours, all of our O-rings are ready to use in the most clean critical applications. In fact, all UC Components products are ReadyVac, meaning they're ready for vacuum service now. This process saves you both time and money, as our ReadyVac fasteners and seals are clean room ready to install the moment you open the package. Our ReadyVac fasteners and O-rings go through our proprietary certified Class 100 ISO, Class 5 clean room precision cleaning, vacuum baking, and packaging processes prior to shipment. Quality and social and environmental responsibility are key at UC Components. Our solar arrays provide virtually 100% of the power our shop needs. Our ISO 9001 certification and compliance with DFARS, REACH, RoHS, and others ensures the best possible products and a better world for all. We continuously invest in our team of certified fastener specialists and the state-of-the-art inspection equipment we utilize to ensure you receive the right product the first time. At UC Components, we hold a fundamental belief that our customers are at the heart of everything we do. Your satisfaction, needs, and feedback are not just important to us, they are our guiding compass. Large or small, you'll get the same fantastic service from us. Every call, email, website chat, and order is addressed and fulfilled by a live person, including those placed through our website. Your partnership is not just a transaction, it's a relationship built on trust. And we're committed to ensuring that your voice is heard and deeply valued. The right part for the right application, right when you need it. Our extensive online catalog contains over 50,000 standard parts, but occasionally you might not find exactly what you need. We still have you covered. We offer a vast selection of non-standard, prototyping, custom parts, and custom services not covered in our standard product listings. Our complete prototyping services include vented and non-vented dowel pins, captivated fasteners, cut down, turn down, fasteners to print, and more, along with complete supporting documentation. We also offer various special services such as custom bagging, custom hardware kits, parts recycling, wire hole drilling, custom cleaning, vacuum baking, and more. With solid manufacturing and documentation control as our hallmark, UC is committed to strict adherence to industry and customer specifications, copy exact management, and full part traceability. Whether it's adhering to the protocol for a standard UC Components catalog part callout on an assembly bill of materials, or a highly critical part requiring strict surveillance throughout the manufacturing process, we have your solution. From raw materials to approved plater to custom packaging and labeling, UC Components is your copy exact partner yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Contact one of our live certified fastener specialists today at 408-782-1929 or visit our website at www.uccomponents.com.